before. That's not.
Naniniwala rin ako na kailangan niya susundin niya kung ano man ang nakalagay sa ating saligang batas.
If there is any violation of the Constitution, a
Ay,
petition
teka,
for
may bigyan ko ng bibig na si
Ate.
Ate. Pangkape nila. Pangkape nila. Kuya bukas.
Oh, this is a closer version actually version used before the You want this one?
Following the leadership changes in
Maybe
the
not.
Senate.
So hopefully malaman natin yan. Pero ako naniniwala within the week naman yan mangyayari lahat yan.
Oh,
Nasa mo kasi yung drone.
Representative De Lima, in the Senate, commented on the International Criminal Court's arrest warrant against Senator Bato de la Rosa.
Ang pinakita sa akin yung video na yan na nagkakagulan.
It's a different
Hindi pa nga siyang madapa.
thing.
Natawa ko nun. And honestly,
I understand.
I view the scenery or the scenario, the scene, as pathetic. Pathetic yung itsura. Kasi nasaan na yung angas mo dati. Na-challenge mo ba nga si former Senator Trillanes, yung kanyang mga make my day, and then kung gusto mo, ikaw ang mapumosas sa akin. And that's exactly what Senator Trillanes did. Nakakaawa din. Kasi dapat alam niya yan. And he took the risk of going there.
The former senator earlier expressed that there is nothing in the Constitution or in existing laws that would allow the Senate to shield its members from the arrest. According to De Lima, parliamentary privilege from arrest only applies when the Senate is in session for offenses.
Hello, sister. Thank you.
May nabuhay.
Video ba kami?
Puro yan video.
Alam mo.
Lahat ng energy, pagod na lahat.
Ay,
na-expired.
Mabuti yan yung picture natin ito. Sardinas sa video kay ate.
Pa-endorsement
Salamat
guys.
sa bubong. Salamat sa
Pero
lahat.
pagod na lahat.
Hello everyone.
Hindi na pa.
Hello everyone. Meet my sister-in-law, Nida Sara. And my brother Ramili Sara. They are now go to
Hawaii.
Hawaii. Go to La Union
Noon yan, right?
for to visit Auntie Mart and Auntie Glo.
Right.
Auntie Mart, Auntie Glo, wait kayo dyan. Narating na sila bukas. Okay? We are here in the hotel, Viver Hotel. Forget the 6 baggage. Okay?
Balik ko na yung palitan mo ito.
Oh. Wait dyan. Hello. Thank you.
Palit tayo, dapat mas marami yung inyo.
Okay, thank you.
Yes,
very
Nita.
much. Okay na. Thank you for the sardinas.
May binigay kasi yung kay kaibigan mo. Okay na?
Meet my sister-in-law. Nida Kusara. My kind and loving sister.
I correct it. My favorite sister-in-law.
To be
And my
precise.
favorite.
And my favorite, I don't know how could I call it. My favorite.
After so many years, ngayon na kami na kasama-sama. And meet Joanne. Ang yun Joanne?
Wow! Ito video mo.
Joanne, my beautiful niece.
Wow.
Okay.
Oh, may vlogger na si
God bless
Tita.
everyone. Bye.
Vlogger na si Tita.
And